Men are simple creatures. Mayer Salovey Caruso Emotional Intelligence Test, which is popularly known as the MSCEIT, it concludes that women have higher emotional intelligence than men. Before I begin with the fun part of the video, I just want to up my nerd game and read you the definition of emotional intelligence. So, emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways, as well as understand and influence emotions of others. So basically, scientifically and biologically, men simply lack empathy as compared to women. I'm not saying it, studies have shown that. So let me start with the story time because I believe in leading by example. So growing up, I did not have a lot of guy friends, and the few guy friends that I grew up with were also same like us. I mean, हम लोग घर घर ही खेलते रहते थे. So I did not really have a picture of how a man brain works until I started dating. I probably started dating when I was like 17 years old, and the pool of men that I was introduced to, the manipulators, the gaslighters, the womanizers, and the dishonest ones. These are the pool of men that I was subjected to, and then when I realized the way their brains are wired, I was baffled. So during my early dating years, which is like before 20s, I used to waste so much of my time in trying to decipher these mixed signals that I received from men, only to realize in my mid-20s and now that men do not give you mixed signals. Men are literally very simple creatures. I mean, overthinking is a concept introduced by women. Men do not. Men do not have the emotional bandwidth and emotional quotient to overthink anything. If you put a glass of water in front of a man and a woman, for a man it is only a glass of water. But if it's a woman, in the woman's brain, she might be thinking that, oh, should I drink the glass of water or should I offer it to him? Oh, the glass is half empty, half full. So there are like a million things running in our heads when you put something in front of us. But for men, for them, it's literally just a glass of water that is being put in front of them. Recently, I went on a trip with guys, and there were a lot of guys there, and I was baffled by the way I saw the way their brain works and the way their friendships are. I mean, there is a reason why men friendships are so simple and pure, because they're not thinking like a million things. They don't have anything to think about, but matlab beer de do, sutta de do, games khel lo. They are best friends. I mean, the entire trip they were just like, oh, idhar se ja rahe, let's call him and let's call it a trip. And the other guy is also like, okay bro, I'm coming. Like, that's how simple men friendships are. So when it comes to dating also, men do not think at all. मतलब है ही नहीं भाई. We think that there are so many layers to a man. नहीं है भाई. एक ही layer है. If they like you, they like you. If they don't like you, they don't like you. So here, this is out for all my girlies. If you're watching this, because I know some people really want my advice on this. So please, yaar, like please, let's not waste our time and energy into trying to decipher men, because men are very simple, and I'm telling you after years of dating. मतलब मत करो waste अपना time. Do like work on yourself, build your career, build your dreams, but don't waste your time in trying to figure out what's going on in a guy's head. Let me tell you something now. If a guy likes you, he is into you, he will text you, he will call you, he will make plans. It's as simple as that with guys. If they don't like you, they won't do it. It's literally that simple. Of course, there is a loophole in this whole game. Like, even with the guys who like you, there are like two categories of guys who like you. One category, which I really hope all we girlies find, those kind of men who genuinely like you and they want to take that forward and eventually build a life with you. So this kind of men, I mean, I've not met them, but I wish to meet them someday. But yeah, like, these are simple people. Again, they like you, they will think of a future with you, and that's it. That's all hope and pray that we do find the men, those kind of men, and only those kind of men cross our path. Amen. Second category of men, which is my area of expertise, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how to dissect them. So second category of men, they also like you, they are into you, so they will text you, they will make plans with you. It's just that they don't have the emotional bandwidth to think of a future with you. Maybe they are commitment phobics, let's say, or maybe they are in the let's see phase, but whatever be it so. But जो भी हो, they still like you, they don't want to waste your time, they genuinely want to spend time with you. But यही है कि maybe future का they don't see. I mean, if you're someone who is also in the let's see phase, then sure, go ahead and date these kind of men. But if you're not, then cut lo bhai, it's okay. So I'm genuinely talking from the point of view where you meet this kind of men who like you, they want to spend time with you, and they do not only want to fornicate with you. Please Google what that means. But yeah, these kind of men, they don't simply want to fornicate with you, but they also want to spend time with you because they like you. The reason why I'm telling you about these kind of men is because most often than not, you will find men like these. I mean, उनका कोई लेयर नहीं है. It's just that you might want to think कि he's texting me every day, he wants to meet me every day, he is making plans with me and not simply fornicating, but we are also going out on dates, we're going out on movies. Then what's his plan? Like क्यों commit नहीं कर रहे हो भाई? क्योंकि men simply do not have the emotional intelligence. ये सब वो सोचते ही नहीं. For them what they want is I'm having a good time with her right now, I really like her. यही है. And it's sometimes I feel like it's not really a bad thing. I mean you cannot hold them at a gunpoint and be like भाई commit कर ही, because most often than not वो इतनी दूर की सोचते ही नहीं. Because like I said, the only reason I keep highlighting the fact that they don't have emotional intelligence is because when we speak of emotional intelligence and why it's higher in women, as women biologically we also sort of are very mature and we think about the relationships not just for ourselves but how it will impact the people around us. पर वो मर्दों के साथ नहीं होता. दे आर वेरी, मतलब इतना लेयर ऑफ थिंकिंग ओनली दे डोंट हैव कि उनको समझेगा कि देयर एक्शंस आर हैविंग रेपरकशंस. द ओनली थिंग दैट यू कैन डू, द ओनली सोल्यूशन टू दैट इज कम्युनिकेट. नॉट argument but communication. Speak to them, ask them how their day went and just randomly keep asking them questions कि तुमको future में क्या करना है, or maybe how do you see your life, where do you see yourself in 50 years, and they will say. And sometimes those kind of men will also turn out to be the most committed people later. It's just that तुम अभी के अभी you can't expect them to give you an answer. So I think girlies, we need to chill, because see, the kind of men who are not into you, you will know, your gut will say that this kind of person is not into me, so he will not text you, he won't be consistent. Especially stay away from the kind of people who keep coming back to you like एक हफ्ते बाद आएंगे, 2 हफ्ते बाद they'll reply. It's because they are bored, they know you'll be available, इसलिए they are doing that loop. So those kind of men, please stay away. But ये this school of men, they are not bad. It's just that men are simple. उनके दिमाग में 10 चीजें नहीं चलती कि where is this going. ये लोग नहीं सोचते उतना यार. And why I'm telling you this is because, of course, maybe lately, maybe my image is coming off as a man hater, which is not entirely false. And mostly I speak of the wrong men that I've dated, because yeah, no, I've met the shittiest kind of men, so my opinion of men will be at the bottom. But it's not like I've not met good men. But later I realized that that's called bare minimum. But it's just that lately I've had a very deep understanding of how men as creatures are, and it really it's very intriguing, you know. They are very simple, like the kind of small talk that men do, oh god, I mean, bhai, I'm literally telling you, they're very simple. So unko, if you're in a kind of relationship where you feel like, is it heading somewhere or is it not heading somewhere, because he spends time with you, he makes time for you, he cares for you, but इस यही है कि फ्यूचर का नहीं पता कुछ भी. गर्ल जस्ट चिल, उसको थोड़ा टाइम दो यार. वाई आई एम सेइंग दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च करा, मैंने पढ़ा इन सब के बारे में, इनको डाइसेक्ट करा, एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि their emotional intelligence is on the low. So I hope this video helps you in some way. If you think कि men have mixed signals and they have layers, no, they are not that deep. They are genuinely not that deep. You ask them, they will reply to you. मतलब है ही नहीं. They don't have dimensions. They don't have. It's like very 2D. Like they like you, they don't like you, they don't like you. बस इतना ही है. For men, the area of emotions is either black or white. It's not a gray area like women. They don't have that much estrogen also and progesterone controlling their emotions so much. So that's all. To conclude, girlies, if you're in a relationship like that with someone, give them some time. बात करो उनसे. ऐसा नहीं है कि they are giving you mixed signals. नहीं है भाई, ठीक है. They are not giving you mixed signals. Men don't give mixed signals. They like you, they will be there for you. They don't like you, they will waste your time, and they will not give you time. That's all. So I hope this video helps you. Let me know what you think. Maybe this is me also thinking out loud. It's just that this is me speaking out of experience. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like, share, comment, subscribe. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.